Hello guys, welcome back. It's another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix an Electrolux washer that won't drain. So, if you're having issues with your Electrolux washer here, there are a few things that you may want to do here to fix if it's not draining properly. So, first thing you want to do is you want to check the drain hose setup here. Now, make sure the drain hose is properly positioned. It should not extend more than 10 cm into the standpipe. Now, the standpipe height should be between like 60 to 100 cm from the base of the washer. Also, check for any kinks or bends in the hose and straighten them out. Next is you want to clean the pump filter. Now locate and unscrew the filter cap, usually at the bottom front of the machine. Prepare a towel or a shallow tray. Some water may spill out. Remove the filter and rinse it thoroughly under running water. Inside the pump area, manually spin the rotor to make sure it's not jammed or by debris. Now also you may want to test the drain function. Now place the drain hose into a bucket or open container and run a short drain cycle. Now if water doesn't flow out, the drain or hose may be clogged. Now if flow is fine, your internal pump and hose setup is likely okay. Next is you may want to inspect for clogs or blockages. Now if draining is still an issue here, check the entire hose for internal blockages or clogs. Now, if you can flush the hose or use a plumbing snake to clear it. Also, inspect the household drain pipe to ensure it's not blocked. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.